Hi, my name is Andrea Brainerd, and I'm going to be talking about what I learned in medical sociology this semester in Health Sciences 370 class. So overall, in my future, I hope to go work into some sort of therapy, whether that's physical therapy or occupational therapy. And a number one takeaway that I got from this class is being mindful and how we can take what we're learning now to be an informed provider one day, whether that be in relation to someone's social determinants of health, namely their occupation, their gender, race, their culture, where their kids go to school, where they work, how much money they're making, all of the above, and also how this relates to intersectionality theory. We took a quiz in week 8 or something that really resonated with me, as that was a quiz that a lot of people who take the MCAT, or questions that are on the MCAT, and questions such as, like, if a patient has a hearing impairment, are you going to be making eye contact with the interpreter, or are you going to look at the patient? And just that intuition of what we would do in these situations and how that relates to their lived experience, for example. Also, how this relates to, at the beginning of the semester, just overall definitions of medical sociology and the study of people and how that's related to medicine itself. What does health mean to you is a question that I've thought of quite a bit while taking this class. A lot of the cross-cultural views of health. So the way that I, as a Caucasian 22-year-old, view health may be very different from someone who is 56 and living in Africa, or someone in Australia, all around the globe. We think of health in a very different way, and that's a huge takeaway that I'm going to bring with me in my future from this class is what can we do to not be judgmental just because someone's different in their views than we are. And that leads a lot into this bigger picture. Health is very complicated. There's no one size fits all way of going about treating people. In my future career as a physical therapist or occupational therapist, I'll really need to work on, not even work on, because I think I'm pretty good at it, but just this idea of people working together, and there's not an easy fix that we can have. There's many moving pieces to that. And that's a question that'll keep on going. What is this bigger picture? What are we trying to do as clinicians and health educators and practitioners? And what can we do to all work together? Here's my references for the images, and thanks, Travis, for a great class.